Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Messenger application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the profile icon that you can see in the upper left corner of the screen. Then scroll down till you find this notifications and sound section and click on it. As you can see, you can turn on this do not disturb option by clicking on it. And then it will mean that you will mute notifications for all conversations, and you can select whether you would like to mute these for 15 minutes, for 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until 8 a.m. So click on the relevant one. In terms of notifications, you can turn on this show previews function, meaning that the app will show message previews in alerts and banners when you are not using the application. If you scroll down, you can also select the notification sound, which is now set to the pop ding. It's the text tone. If you tap on it, you are going to see that you have like 7 options. So click on the one that you would like to change it for. As you can see, you can also turn on this new friend notification function, meaning that you will get a new chat thread when you have a new Facebook friend. And you can also turn on the sounds and vibrations while using the application by clicking on this button down below. So these are all the functions concerning notifications and sounds on the Messenger application. That was pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.